This is PolyglotFormFill. Let me show you, plainly, what it does and why it might matter to you. Maybe you fill the same forms again and again for a job, a lease, a benefit you are owed. Maybe a form arrives in a language you are still learning. Or maybe you are the one in the family everyone brings their paperwork to. If any of that is you, this was built with you in mind. Think of everything you type into forms over and over. Your name and address, yes, but also your passport number, a tax ID, an employer, a bank account, an allergy. Save any detail once, and PolyglotFormFill fills it into every form that asks for it, as many times as you need, wherever you need it. You do not even have to type them. Photograph your driver's license. The front is read here on your device. Name, date of birth, license number, straight into your encrypted vault. The barcode on the back carries that same data exactly, and it is read on your device too. A passport works the same way. And it is not only the text. The license and passport pictures themselves are saved with your profile. Nothing is uploaded. The reading happens right here, with you. Even a flat scan, a page with no boxes to click into, is understood. It finds where each answer belongs and makes the page feasible, with no printer and no scanner. Then the form fills itself, not just the name and address, but the license number, the tax ID, the employer, the bank details, whatever this particular form happens to ask for. You look it over. You are always in control of what goes in. Not only the typing, the choices too, a drop-down, a set of options, a box to tick, answered from what you told it just once. A photo where the form wants a photo. Your signature on the line meant for it. Placed for you, not cut and pasted by hand. And when a form asks something new, you answer it once. It is kept, privately, on your device, so the next form that asks already knows. Your details are yours, but you are rarely filling only your own forms. Keep a profile for each person you help, a partner, a parent, a child, and their forms fill just as easily. It is the same at work. A profile for each recurring form, a vendor record, an expense claim, each holding exactly the right details, filled correctly every time. And it is not only PDFs. Add the browser companion, and the forms you meet online fill the same way, from the same details, with a single click. And language is never the barrier. Use the whole app in your own language, any of them. A form in a language you do not read is shown to you in yours, and you can fill it in whichever language you choose. What you type is written back in the form's own language. Read in yours, write in theirs, or the other way around. One thing matters more than all the rest. Every bit of this happens on your device. The reading, the filling, the signing. We never see your forms, and we never see your data. That is the whole of it, no catch. If it would make your life a little easier, it is free while we are in beta at PolyglotFormFill.com.